It's a beautiful morning here in Lemoore, going snowboarding. Waiting for a couple buddies to show up. We're gonna hit the road. What's up?
How you doing?
You guys ready to go shred?
Oh. Hell yeah.
Cheers me, dude. All right, dude. Bottoms up. What?
So old, dude.
Dude, shut up. You're annoying as hell. Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alyssa, you should be here. Alyssa's like obsessed with Red Bull. I'm gonna go on one solo, let you guys ride. I don't like riding with 3 people.
I was gonna say, why are you by yourself?
See you up there.
Yeah.
Ready? Dude, I cannot keep up with these guys at all. These guys are young and nimble, and I'm just sitting here out of breath because my cardio is so freaking bad. But whatever, dude. We're having a good time. So I told them to go do a couple runs. I'll meet them back at chair one. Man, I need to learn how to talk again. But check out the view. What kind of board is that, dude?
It's a hooger. You know what a hooger is?
No, dude.
It's someone who dry humps. It's from like the 90s. They
Dude,
stopped selling these in like the 90s.
Yeah.
It's like an Australian brand.
Shoot.
I only hit 45.
45. It's still
45
fast.
is fast.
Yeah, this
Thank you. What happened? Oh, it's really about to die?
Yeah.
Just turn it off then.
way down to it.
Like, they fell.
Dude, am I just out of shape or what? I just can't keep up.
Like my foot went to go turn, and as I turned, my foot just came out the binding. Boom! Freaking
Came out?
cut up my arm. Yeah.
I'll meet you at the lift. First jump or the second jump. Dude, where is the opening for the first jump? I don't see it. It looks like just, it's closed off. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, we'll see. I don't know. I might be a scaredy cat again. I might just hit the third jump again. I love this camera right here. Right now I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 5. Super sick, super dope. If you don't have one, get one. I'll leave a link to the why can't I freaking talk, dude? I'll leave a link for it in the description. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh God. That's it, dude. We did it. It was sick. That concludes snowboarding for today. Successful day. We made it back home. Hit that follow, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and until next time. What's up, you guys? I just wanted to take a minute to talk about the gear I use, and I'm gonna leave it all in the description below, so be sure to check that out and get it if you want it. If not, whatever. But this gear is actually pretty cool. I use the DJI Osmo Action 5. I also have it paired up with the DJI Mic 2s, and let me show you. So these come with like a nice charging case. This is like hard and like plastic, whatever. You get one receiver and two microphones, so you can do like interviews with people if you're into making videos. Like I said, I'll leave it down below. I think that's it, and stay tuned till next time.